Good morning, students. Students, how are you? I hope you all are well and you must have prepared for your revision test also. Children, be careful in listening to the videos because there is so much information given in the videos and questions can be framed on them. And also, read the current affair questions carefully. Read the questions also properly because there is information given in the question from where another question can be framed. So children, be careful in reading in preparing for your GK revision test. Now children, today I am starting with lesson number 14, rodents. अब ये rodents क्या होते हैं? rodents वो mammals होते हैं जो कुतरते हैं, जैसे rats, guinea pig या squirrel. इनके पेयर ऑफ इंसीजर टीथ्स होते हैं जिससे वो कुतरते हैं. नाउ इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू know more about rodents. Write the names of these animals using the help box. Now children, in the help box, the names of some rodents are given: guinea pig, porcupine, capybara, chipmunk, lemming, gopher. Now first one. This chiefly North American creature resembles the squirrel. It has distinct stripes on its bodies and head. And children, the name of this rodent is chipmunk. As it is written in this statement that they are chiefly found in North America with the exception of Siberian chipmunk, which is found in Asia. Now we come to the second one. It is a small, short-tailed, thick-set rodent related to the voles. Voles means rodent, found in the Arctic tundra. And children, the name of this rodent is lemming. And lemmings are found only in northern hemisphere. Children, you know the equator divides the globe into two halves. The upper half is called northern hemisphere and the southern half is called southern hemisphere. And lemming rodents, they are found in the northern hemisphere. Now we come to the third one. This animal is the largest rodent in the world. It is native to South America and lives in large groups. अब ये जो rodent है ये large groups में रहता है, ये साउथ अमेरिका में पाया जाता है और दिस इज द largest rodent in the world. And the name of this rodent is capybara, which weighs about 35 to 66 kgs. It is a semi-aquatic mammal. Capybara looks like a hairy pig without a snout. ये एक hairy pig की तरह दिखता है. तुमने pig देखा होगा, उसका जो नाक वाला पोर्शन होता है वो इसमें कैपिबरा में नहीं होता. Otherwise, it looks like a hairy pig. Next, we come to the fourth one. This little animal is a very common household pet. It is particularly known for its ability to learn and remember a particular path. अब ये जो rodent है, ये बहुत common household pet है और इसके पास एबिलिटी होती है कि वो जिस रास्ते से आया है उसको वो याद रख सके. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस rodent इज गिनी पिग. इसका नाम गिनी पिग जरूर है लेकिन ये ना तो ये ग्वेना से रिलेटेड है और ना पिग से. ग्वेना जो है वो एक कंट्री का नाम है अफ्रीका में और पिग तुम्हें पता ही है एक एनिमल का नाम होता है, लेकिन ये जो रोडेंट है ये ना तो पिग जैसा है और ना ये गुएना का है. They are not native to Guyana, nor are they closely related to pig. And they live in groups of about 10. And they are mostly found in South America. Now the fifth one. This slow and round rodent is covered with quills. It usually lives on the land but sometimes also dwells on trees. अब ये जो rodent है इसके शरीर में क्विल्स होते हैं. क्विल्स क्या होते हैं? पंख की तरह की चीज, पंख को कहते हैं. और ये एक लार्ज रोडेंट है और इसके बॉडी में स्पाइंस होते हैं, कांटे की तरह. ये जो क्विल्स हैं, ये जो फेदर्स की तरह दिखने वाले पंख हैं, ये स्पाइंस की तरह कांटे कंटीले से होते हैं, जो कि इनको इनके प्रीडेटर्स से, जो इनको अपना शिकार बनाता है, उससे रक्षा करते हैं, प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. And there are more than 24 species of this rodent. और ये जो rodent है इसका नाम है porcupine. इसके बॉडी में तुम देख सकते हो पिक्चर में स्पाइंस जैसे कांटे जैसे निकले हुए हैं, जो इसको इसके प्रेडेटर से रक्षा करते हैं. और इसकी 24 से भी ज़्यादा स्पीशीज पाए जाते हैं. और ये लैंड में भी रहता है, ज़मीन पे भी रहता है, और ये ट्रीज में भी ये रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट सिक्स्थ वन. दिस क्रिएचर इज फाउंड इन नॉर्थ एंड सेंट्रल अमेरिका. दिस burrowing rodent is an expert at making tunnels that resemble honeycombs. अब ये जो rodent है ये टनल्स बनाने में एक्सपर्ट होते हैं. टनल मतलब सुरंग. और ये जो टनल बनाते हैं, सुरंग जो बनाते हैं, वो रिजेंबल करते हैं हनी कोम को. ऐसा लगता है मधुमक्खी का छत्ता है. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस रोडेंट इज गोफर. एंड दिस रोडेंट, there are about 35 species of gopher. And they destroy farms and gardens. And they live in areas of loose and sandy soil. ये जो है खेतों को, गार्डन्स को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, क्योंकि ये सुरंग बना करके एक पार्ट से खेत में एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट तक पहुंच जाते हैं. Now we come to the footnote. The teeth of rodents do not include canines. They only have 2 pairs of incisors. These include the front teeth, one upper pair and one lower pair, which grows throughout their lives. अब इनके एक सामने के पेयर होते हैं और नीचे अपर पेयर और एक लोअर पेयर होते हैं, और ये थ्रू आउट देयर लाइव्स ये ग्रो करते हैं. ये जो रोडेंट्स के टीथ हैं, कैनाइन्स, जिससे वो कुतरते रहते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, यू कॉपी डाउन द आंसर्स. आफ्टर दिस we come to the current affair questions, which you will write in your notebook carefully. And now here I have started with question number 11, and first 3 are in the form of fill-ups. The 11th one, why I have started with 11th? Because I have already given you 10 current affair questions. Now the 11th one, India's first national sports university has been launched in which state? It has been launched in Manipur. India's first air taxi service has been launched in Which place? First air taxi service has been launched in Chandigarh. 13th one. Parakram Divas is observed to celebrate on birth anniversary of which prominent figure? It is the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, we come to the 14th one. Which country will host the 2022 Women's Rugby World Cup? Now, this will be hosted by New Zealand. Now we come to 15th question. 15th question is, China became the second country after the USA to land a rover on Mars using its Tianwen-1 spacecraft. Tianwen-1 spacecraft is the name of spacecraft through which the rover has landed to Mars. Name the Chinese Mars rover. The name of this Chinese Mars rover is Zhurong. Now I come to the 16th question. Who was the first Indian woman mountain climber to scale Mount Everest in 2021? Now in 2021, it is Tashi Yangzom from Arunachal Pradesh who scaled Mount Everest. 17th question. In May 2021, Arjun Lal Jat and Arvind Singh qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. They represent India in which sport? Now, Arjun Lal Jat and Arvind Singh, they represent rowing. Now, the 18th question. Who authored the book All Times Favorites for Children? The name of this author is Ruskin Bond. Next, 19th question. Who was crowned as 2020's Miss Universe? Now, 2020's Miss Universe is Andrea Miza. She is a Mexican model. She became the third Mexican woman to be crowned as Miss Universe. Indian commercial airlines Go Air has been renamed as Go First. Now, children, that's all for today's current affairs. Prepare well for your exam. All the best, children. Thank you.